So in mensuration, you have, you told me you have cylinder, right?
Yes.
You have cylinder, you have cone
Sphere, hemisphere.
and sphere and hemisphere. These are you are
And
having.
cube and cube.
Huh?
Cube and cube.
Cube and cube are also there. Cube and cuboid. Okay. Right. These are the three-dimensional structures. 3D. 3D objects. 3D objects you have. Right. Okay. 3D objects. So in 3D objects, first we talk about all formulas, almost. Hmm?
This cylinder से
क्यूब में क्या होता है? क्यूब में TSA is equal to 6A square. LSA is equal to 4A square, and and volume is equal to A cube, right? And its diagonal is A root 3, right? And here we have TSA of cuboid is equal to 2 bracket LB plus BH plus LH, right? CSA is equal to, sorry, this is called LSA, is equal to 2 bracket L plus B into H, or volume is equal to L into B into H, and diagonal is equal to root over L square plus B square plus H square. You get this? This is, we have all about cube and cuboid. Then we come to sphere. TSA is equal to CSA is equal to 4 pi r square, right? And volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, right? Hemisphere TSA is equal to 3 pi r square. CSA is equal to 2 pi r square, and volume is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube, right? You have cylinder CSA is equal to 2 pi r 2 pi rh TSA is equal to CSA plus 2 pi r square, area of two circular ends. So it becomes 2 pi rh plus 2 pi r square is equal to 2 pi r bracket h plus r, right? And volume is pi r square h. This is volume of cylinder, right? Now we have cone CSA is equal to pi rl, where L is equal to root over h square plus r square, right? And TSA is equal to pi rl plus pi r square, So this is what? Pi r bracket L plus r. And volume of cone. We are talking about cone here. So volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Thick. These are the major formulas. Always you have to keep in mind that TSA and CSA is always in meter square or centimeter square, and volume is also in meter cube or centimeter cube. You get this?
Yes.
And one more important thing is that 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. So therefore 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 ml, right? Or similarly we have 1 meter cube is equal to 1 kiloliter, right? And most important is 1 hectare. 1 hectare 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meter square, and 1 acre is equal to 100 meter square, right? These all conversions and denominations you have to keep in mind when you are solving questions related to mensuration, right? Do you understand?
Yes.
Hmm? I hope you better understand. Hmm? One kiloliter is equal to 1 meter cube. Hmm? This is okay. So what questions you have? Will we have to do? वो मैंने इसलिए शिफ्ट किया इधर because I seen there is shining, so because of that I wrote on this that side, right? Okay, should I rub all this?
Yes.
Now questions.
From example, or check the test.
एक मिनट. There is a cylinder, hollow cylinder, right? This is hollow cylinder. So inner radius is r, outer radius, sorry, small r, outer radius is capital R. So volume of material is equal to volume of outer cylinder minus volume of inner cylinder. ठीक है? So it is pi capital R square h minus pi small r square h. So you can get pi h as a common, and you get r square minus small r square. So you get pi h bracket capital R minus small r capital R plus r. Right? This is we have for material of cylinder. This is what? This is hollow cylinder. Hollow cylinder. Okay. One more thing, we have, this is a bowl. This is again a hollow bowl. This is also hollow bowl, which we call hemisphere. So volume of material, volume of material is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube by capital R cube minus 2 by 3 pi small r cube. So you can write here 2 by 3 pi bracket capital R cube minus small r cube. Right. This can be written as 2 by 3 pi bracket capital R minus small r bracket capital R square plus small r square plus capital R small. Right? This is, you can solve this volume of material in a bowl.
सर वो माइनस कैपिटल और स्मॉल आर नहीं होगा
ये since there is
साइन
r cube है ना, so there is minus, so all will be plus. If there will be plus, then this will be minus. Right? Okay. Now come to questions from where you would like to do. Can you find any question in examples which came in year?
the surface area of solid
Should I rub?
is
Oh.
the surface area of solid metallic sphere
Question number
19
19. Yeah.
the surface area of solid metallic sphere
Surface area of solid metallic sphere
is 2464
meter square centimeter square
sorry.
square. हाँ ठीक है.
It is melted and recast into
melted and recast into
solid right circular cones of radius
solid right circular cone.
Yes.
Right circular cone
Of radius 3.5
of radius 3.5
And height is 7.
And height is 7 centimeter. Right. So number of cones required.
Find the radius of sphere and number of cones.
Find the radius of a sphere first.
Or pi to 22 upon 7.
Radius of a sphere. Radius of a sphere and number of cones. Second,
Number of cones.
number of cones. Number of cones. Part 1. CSA surface area. As surface area of solid sphere is equal to 2464 is equal to 4 pi r square. So 6 times 4 becomes 24. 1 times 4 becomes 4. 6 minus 616. You get it? So now we have r square is equal to 616 into 7 upon 220. So what happens? So this is 28. 616 divided by 22 becomes 28. 28 into 7 becomes r square is equal to 8 times 7 becomes 56. Right? You get 5. 7 times 2 becomes
90.
You get
90.
7 times 2 becomes 14 plus 5 becomes 19. 196 taking root over both sides, so it becomes r is equal to 14 centimeter. Right? So radius of sphere is equal to 14 centimeter. Thick. Now this solid sphere is converted into of R 14 centimeter and total CSA is 2464 centimeter square converted into n number of cones. This is radius is 3.5 and height is 7. Hmm? Into n. So there will be n is equal to volume of solid sphere upon volume of a cone. So how much it will be? Hmm? Solid sphere na 4 by 3 pi r cube upon 1 upon 3 pi r dash square into h, right? तो ये 3 और 3 cancel, pi और pi cancel. So how much? You get the radius of 14 centimeter. So 14 into 14 into 14 upon 3.5 into 3.5 into 7. तो ये कितना हो जाएगा? You remove it from here. Two मतलब after decimal, each after decimal 1 digit. So you multiply here by 100. 2 times 7 becomes 14. 5 times 7 becomes 35. 2 times 7 becomes 14. 5 times 7 becomes 35. And 2 times 7 becomes 14. So this is 2. Right? And this is 5.5 divided by 20. And this divided by 4. So now how much you get? 3 times 2 becomes 8 into 4
सर
becomes
इसमें 4 भी तो लेंगे. 4 by 3 में 4.
oh
8 into
अच्छा
4.
14
8 into
yes here it is. So 4 will also there, this 4 will be also there. So this is 4. So 8 into 16 It is 144. What is your answer?
128.
Sorry. Calculation mistake. 8 times 16 becomes 6 times 8 becomes 48. You get 4. 1 time 8 becomes 8 plus 4 becomes 12. 128. So 128. Okay. So n is equal to मतलब number of cones one 128. You get this much?
Yes.
You get? Do you understand how to solve this?
Yes.